I see.
Come out here.
And there's so much going on today. Up above. That's awesome. How have I been feeling today? I'll tell you. Positive. I've been thinking about 5D. I've been seeing myself there more and more. I had kind of like a recall of a dream I had. One of 4 dreams I've had of the event. And the recalling of this event, this dream was the last particular dream that I had of the event. And it just blew me away. Please don't go in there, okay? Yeah. Sorry, kids. Yeah, think about 5D Earth. Really, really seeing myself there as much as I can. I don't know, it's really changed over the last 2 days. And I really like a brother from a cosmic mother, another brother like us, you know, fully awake and conscious and 26, absolutely wonderful. And him and I parted ways yesterday. He's going over east, so I think I'm going to follow soon. Continue the adventure, see some cool things. That's awesome. Beautiful, huh? The sun's got this huge halo around it. Ice crystals, hey? In summer. Love it. Absolutely love it. Yes? No, I'm not doing it for Mum, baby. Oh, wow.
Its wings are about that long.
Yeah. It's huge halo. Oh, fucking changing on me and shit. Yeah, it's beautiful.